VANS Rowley 99. These are the Sex Pistols, green colorway for the band. So far I have not found the yellow one in town. There's a yellow pair that's like this one. I recommend going ahead and ordering the yellow pair from VANS.com. I checked 2A accounts here in DFW. I know one in San Antonio. Only the A accounts are getting this shoe. And so far only the green one has landed. Nice details throughout, including the box. Not just stamped, but embroidered, which is interesting to see for a GR. There will be a black and white slip-on with the British flag that says "Never mind the bullocks, we're the Sex Pistols," coming out to complete the pack. Slated for June, probably July area. Going to be a GR also. So fans of the Sex Pistols will have their kicks to rock this year. Get them while you can. If you want the yellow one, order it from VANS.com. I went ahead and did that yesterday. Never mind the bullocks. Here's the Sex Pistols. Get them while you can.